Glucosamine is a natural compound produced by your body, mainly found in cartilage to help repair it when damaged. It's not commonly found in foods, but it can be taken as a supplement in various forms. These supplements can be beneficial for joint pain, especially arthritis. Glucosamine supplements can offer several important health benefits. Studies have shown that glucosamine may help in reducing joint pain, especially for those with osteoarthritis. In fact, it's so effective that it's available as a medicinal substance in some parts of Europe. Glucosamine and chondroitin supplements may also help in reducing chronic inflammation, which is linked to health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. This can lower your risk of developing these conditions. Additionally, early studies suggest that glucosamine supplements may help in preventing the progression of osteoporosis post-menopause by supporting healthy bone growth. This makes it especially helpful for those at risk of developing osteoporosis as they age. Glucosamine offers many health benefits and can improve your body's overall function. However, consuming supplements does carry some risk. Some people may experience an upset stomach, bloating, or insomnia, although these symptoms are usually mild and go away after a few weeks of taking the supplement. It's important to note that glucosamine supplements may trigger shellfish allergies since they are often made from shellfish shell extracts. If you have a shellfish allergy, be cautious when choosing a glucosamine supplement and ensure to check the source of the compound before taking it. Additionally, studies suggest that glucosamine supplements may have a negative impact on insulin resistance, so if you have diabetes, it's best to consult with your doctor before adding these supplements to your routine. Lastly, some case studies have shown that people who took supplements containing glucosamine developed significant liver damage. However, it's important to note that these supplements contain several other active ingredients, and specific amounts of glucosamine in the supplements were not available. Supplements containing only glucosamine, or glucosamine and chondroitin, have not been linked to these problems. When it comes to taking glucosamine, the currently studied dosage for oral supplementation is 1,500 mg daily. This can be taken all at once or split into several doses throughout the day. Different studies have varying opinions on how much of the glucosamine the body actually absorbs and uses in the joints, but most suggest that up to 90% of the glucosamine taken makes it to the liver. Some trials indicate that higher doses than 1,500 mg may be more effective for treating osteoarthritis, but the safety of these higher doses has not been tested yet.